Meitei Tribe Union (MMTU) has urged President's rule-led government to urgently recommend inclusion of Meitei in scheduled tribe list. In the press release, MMTU also appealed to Governor in Council to take swift and decisive action on the matter. The union highlighted that, according to a directive issued by High Court of Manipur on March 27, 2023, the previous government was given 1 year to send recommendation for ST status. However, that deadline has now passed without any action. MMTU also maintained that, according to Article 159 of Indian Constitution, Governor is the highest authority of a state. It also asserted that safeguarding political, socio-economic, culture and territory of an indigenous community is the responsibility of the state government. MMTU further alleged that the central government has been undermining Manipur since its merger to India in 1949. They also emphasized that Meitei should be included in ST list under Article 342 as the population of the community is only 13 lakhs. Furthermore, MMTU also highlighted that the central government has been directing the state government to send the recommendation repeatedly. MMTU further reiterated the governor to send recommendation for inclusion of Meitei in scheduled tribe list.